If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A27 has the 3.5mm headphone jack, then the answer is no. Usually the headphone jack is included at the bottom of the phone, but over here we have the USB port only. And sometimes we can also find it at the top, but here there is nothing pretty much either. So if you have wired headphones with USB-C cable, then you can just connect it to the USB port that we have at the bottom of the phone. You can just connect them directly and most likely it is going to work straight away. However, if you have wired headphones with this cable over here that looks like that, then in that case you also need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. So it is a simple adapter that converts the 3.5mm headphone jack input into USB-C cable. So we can connect our wired headphones to this adapter and then we connect it to the phone, and then you can use your wired headphones like that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.